Hey everyone, welcome back again to our exciting series of cyber blogs. So today we are going to talk about all about penetration testing. So in this blog we are going to cover introduction, how to become a penetration testers, starting off, getting certified, roles and responsibilities, and at last we will talk about penetration testing jobs. So let's get it started from introduction. Intro to pen testing. So if you are the type of person who like a challenge and has a nose of trouble, you should think about becoming a penetration tester. With penetration testers commanding an average salary of almost 1.18 lakh dollar in the US. So this is job that is both interesting and lucrative. So what sort of things does a pen tester do and how do you become the one? So let's understand what is penetration testing. So many aspects of cybersecurity intelligence demand human input. Cybersecurity, after all, is a human-centric problem and depends on having human resources that can understand how the bad guys think. So in the world of cybersecurity, the penetration testers is sometimes equated to an ethical hacker because certain aspects of the job requires replication of what a malicious hacker would do. So penetration testing is a discipline is extremely important in the general security strategy of an organization. It is used to spot issues and vulnerabilities in IT systems, including web application. So generally automated tools are used to help with the process of finding security gaps in an organization IT infrastructure. But automation tools does not give all time accurate result. So however, many pen testers expectedly or especially I am talking about experienced one will use manual method to augment and extend the reach of automated tests. So pen testing essentially simulates how a cyber criminal would use security flow to attack an infrastructure in order to obtain access to data and asset. So now the thing is how to become a penetration tester. So the role of penetration tester is one of the requires great responsibility. You will be relied upon to have a wide knowledge of cybersecurity techniques, threats type and vectors. As a cybersecurity landscape is one of the most fluid and ever-changing industry in the planet, you'll have to be prepared to be continuously updating your knowledge of the area. This means you'll need to be very interesting in cybersecurity and prepared to continuously learn. This is all about interest. So you also will need to be able to understand IT systems and network at the deep level. Understanding communication protocol is also important as this can be a weak point in a system. So this means that being able to write software code is useful. It may not be absolutely essential and you may not need to be really good at it. But having a working knowledge of a script language like Python and self-scripting will come in useful. Starting off to the point. So whether you are a novice or seasoned IT professional thinking about moving into pen testing, you should begin by reading about the subject. Use articles, textbooks, and guides, and find videos on the subject not just on pen testing but on general cybersecurity issue across the board. So this is also excellent videos by cybersecurity and maybe blogs by cybersecurity gurus such as Bruce Scenario and resources like the ethical hacking article blogs by Rachendale. So in summary, you will be expected to understand cybersecurity, which is cybersecurity techniques, trick, vector threat profile, and anatomy of cybersecurity. So check out OWASP site for cybersecurity intelligence. Hardware, second thing is hardware and networks. Third, operating system databases. Fourth thing will be applications, including web apps and APIs. And the fifth thing is data analysis. So at least in terms of analyzing security issue and presenting solution. And there's some much more thing, but at the initial phase you will go through with these topics and point. So let's getting more hands-on, bringing yourself to the next level. So ultimately, pen testing is practical subject. All the books in the world and all the YouTube videos on ethical hacking will not prepare you for the real thing. You must get practice if you have come this far. There is a very high chances you will be one of those people who will be able to easily implement your own mini test system. So you can create a test system from where you can test on your own computer, on your own environment. Like you can install some things like vulnerable web applications, vulnerable OS, so that you can test on your local host. So also get to know the pen testing execution standard, which is so called PTES, which is a framework for pen testing. It can help you to work towards standards of operation and is a good general advisory in the field. Many jobs will require you are fully aware of this standard as well as OWASP. So according to my suggestion, you will go through with this point to get more hands-on. So now let's talk about getting certified. So when you are ready, you can take a course to earn an ethical hacking certification such as Certified Ethical Hacking, which is so called CEH, and you can also go through OSCP, OSCE and much more, which can give you the hands-on experience. So this will give an prospective employer proof that you have the necessary knowledge of the area and know how to apply it practically. It may also be beneficial to take certification course in network and security. So the pen test plus certification is another option. It's ideal to give you the know-how in carrying out penetration testing. So basically our R&D team is also working on a lab, so from where you can get some hands-on experience on real life pen testing. So it will get introduced soon, so you can start from there as well. So now let's get to the next part, penetration tester role and responsibilities. So penetration testers are usually employed internally by an organization and will sit within a security team. So penetration testing is not just about finding flaws in network and web applications. It is also about communicating your finding both to team members and management in other departments. So there may be variety or variation in the role of pen testers across industry sectors, but there are fundamental tasks that you will perform. These include network and application test, as you can see in the first number, network and application test. So basically this is to check the general security vulnerability across the network. So the penetration or pen tester will be involved in designing these tests or keeping existing ones up to date. So you'll be expected to know how to implement and apply pen testing tools. So second thing is physical security test. So this is such as checking for disaster hardening of server to non-cyber threat like vandalism, climate impact and so on. Third part is security audits. So this is a fundamental and ongoing aspect of a penetration tester's role. You will be expected to access or assess the security of a given process, protocols or system. You will also need to write up reports of audit. Fourth one is general security report writing. Yeah, general security report writing and the use of matrices from test to help develop security strategies. So it will gonna to help your organization to get the things deeper and understand and explain that all in the general terms. So the last thing is involvement in security team and security policy review. So you will need to be able to communicate with your wider team and help with security policy review. So you may likely, as you progress in your career, find you are called upon the mentor new pen test interns and other in the security team. So fostering a good communication skill set will definitely help you your career. So now let's getting your foot on the ladders of penetration testing job. So once you are ready to become a paid penetration testers, you should start applying for job. You can find penetration testing job advertised in the usual online vacancy portal. Larger organization will sometimes offer internship for those in the earlier stage of their career. They may not be able to well paid but give you essential experience to get an established post, often at the same company. So if you look at any of the largest job vacancy portal like LinkedIn, and there's a lot more, okay, you will see plenty of pen testing jobs available. So it is not a career of the faint-hearted, as it takes dedication to do it well. But if you are inclined towards the challenging of hunting or for cyber threats, it can be expected career. Huh. So what you're waiting for? Go get your task done and learn a lot about pen testing. So because it can pay you a lot according to interest. So feel free to ask your queries in the comment box. So we'll be always ready to help you. And we also run bug hunting financial ad as well. A lot of programs where we can teach you for free, but only for the financial ad students. So you can also follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn as the term of @VIH group. So thank you for joining. Think secure, think VIH, and be safe. Start your career.